What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Today I'll show you an amazing product. Check it out. This is a luminous letter sample box, which is very suitable for business development, such as industry identification, product effects display, and process references. Includes luminous letter, non-luminous letters, neon letters, and other common sign samples and popular crafts using stainless steel technology material. Each process has been carefully polished to show quality and professionalism, with exquisite and beautiful workmanship and novel design. It is equipped with 2 adapters power supply, plug and play to view lights and off effects at will. The sample box is designed as aluminum as a stainless steel shell showcase, which is sturdy and durable, not easy to scratch, and secure, easy to carry, and can be displayed to customers anytime and anywhere. Choosing such a letter sample box is easy to carry and has complete samples that can improve your company's order success rate and take your company to the next level. What do you think of this convenient sample box? Comment to let me know and follow LCSIGN.